Hi guys, welcome to Just for Kids. And today our craft that we're going to be doing is the Just for Kids Hanging Wall Tapestry. So in the kit that you would have picked up from the Wildwood Public Library, you would find your instruction sheet, your yarn, which I've already laid out, some wire that we're going to use to hang up our tapestry, a dowel, and a bag of wooden beads. So let's get started. So what you're going to do first is lay out your yarn in front of you. And I've folded mine in half so you can see that I've got the loop at the top and the two ends are free at the bottom. And I'm just going to lay those down. And I'm going to start by lifting the loop up and grabbing my two ends, pulling them through, and just making a little tie. So you'll have two little knobs at the top. And you're going to go through and you're going to tie every strand on. So let's do this together. And there we have it. So now that our yarn is on our dowel, I'm just gonna tighten up some of the ends. And don't worry if they're not all perfectly lined up at the bottom, because you can change that to however you want your tapestry to be. So our next step is going to be adding our beads. And these you can put anywhere that you want. You can make a design, you can have them go up and down, you can have them random, whatever you'd like. So I'm just gonna pour these out. And for this step, I'm going to use a toothpick just to help guide the end of the yarn through the little holes. This one. So what I do is I cover the hole with my yarn, just holding it with my fingers. I take my toothpick and I'm just gonna push the yarn through. It might take a couple tries to get it all the way through, enough for you to pull. And don't worry if it separates, you can just pull it back out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little tie just below where I want my bead to hang, just so it can't slip off. Take this one and just repeat wherever you want your beads to be. It's going to look amazing. There we go. Just pull that tight. Make my little tie, just so the bead has somewhere to sit. And there we have it. So once you're happy with your beads, you can either leave it like this, or I'm going to trim the bottom. So for that, I need a pair of scissors. I'm just going to brush out the bottom. And I want mine to go tapered in towards the middle. So I'm just going to hold the bottom and I'm just going to cut on an angle. Just down one side. And now I'm going to move over to the other side. I'm going to grab a hold. And I'm just going to trim down towards the middle. So now you can see that mine is tapered on either side. For the next step, you're going to take your wire and you're going to kind of try to straighten it out and fold it in half so that you know where the middle is. Roughly. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just give it a little pinch just so that you know that that's the middle. And then I'm going to take one end and around my dowel, just go around maybe once or twice. And then go around the end, the long end towards the pointy part that we just pinched, your middle, and just wrap it around there. That's going to stop your yarn from coming off. And again on the other side. So wrap it around once, twice, and then just wrap it around the long part. Just gonna wrap it. And there we have it, our hanging wall tapestry. I hope you had fun, and I hope that you check out our other cool stuff at the Wildwood Public Library. And I hope to see you again for Just for Kids. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.